Tomatoes are one of the most beautiful vegetables you can grow in your garden. In addition to being delicious and rich in vitamins, they provide great enjoyment as they grow. However, for tomatoes to be healthy, grow quickly, and resist pests, they require the right attention and conditions. In this article, we'll reveal how to improve the growing conditions for your tomatoes, and at the end, you'll learn about the secret ingredient that helps them grow even faster and healthier. For healthy tomatoes, there are 3 key factors: sunlight, water, and good soil. Tomatoes love plenty of sunlight, so it's best to plant them in a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Additionally, the soil must be well drained and rich in nutrients because tomatoes quickly deplete the resources provided by the soil. When it comes to watering, it's important not to overdo it. Tomatoes love consistent moisture, but they don't like to sit in water. The best practice is to water the plant in the morning, directly at the roots, avoiding water on the leaves, as this can lead to the development of fungi and diseases. If you want your tomatoes to grow faster and be more resistant, one of the best tips is to prune unnecessary shoots. This way, the plant will direct its energy towards the main stems and fruit, helping it grow faster and produce larger fruits. Regularly removing damaged or infected leaves can also prevent the spread of disease. Tomatoes are susceptible to various pests, but there are natural ways to protect them. First, it's important to keep the plant dry around the stem. Watering directly at the roots and not on the leaves helps prevent the development of fungi and mold. The second step is to use natural insecticides, such as a soap and water solution, which is effective in fighting pests. Now we arrive at the most interesting part, the secret ingredient for faster tomato growth. It may sound unusual, but the real trick lies in corn. Corn can be your key to healthier and more resilient tomatoes. What's the secret? Corn is rich in nutrients, especially potassium, which helps strengthen the plants. Moreover, it serves as a natural repellent for many pests that may attack tomatoes. There are several ways to use corn. The simplest method is to place a few corn stalks near the tomato plants. Due to the specific chemistry of corn plants, they naturally repel insects and pests that often attack tomatoes. Another way is to use cornmeal or ground corn kernels as a natural mulch around the tomato roots. This mulch not only makes the soil more aerated but also helps retain moisture while preventing the growth of weeds. Additionally, corn stalks can serve as a natural support for tomatoes. The tomato plants will climb up the corn stalks, creating a natural framework for growth, making the plants more stable and reducing the chances of falling or breaking. So, use corn in your garden as the perfect addition that not only protects, but also speeds up the growth of your tomatoes. By combining proper care, careful watering, and using corn as a secret ingredient, your tomatoes will grow healthy, fast, and resistant to pests. Try applying these tips and enjoy the fruits of your labor.